Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is kind of out of my normal schedule only because I received this in the mail and I had to test it out immediately. This is the Milk Makeup Luminous Blur Stick Primer. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. So like I said in the beginning, I received this in the mail today, which is the Milk Makeup's Luminous Blur Stick. It's their primer stick. And I did receive it from Influencer. Don't know if you can see that. I received it from Influencer. I did receive this product for free. I'm not being paid to talk about it, but I did receive it for free in exchange for posting a picture and writing a review on their website. So I decided to just go ahead and test this immediately because I heard about their blur stick that's matte, but I don't really like matte, so I didn't try it. But this one is supposed to be luminous, so I'm just gonna say the claims about it. Let's open this up real quick. So it comes in this, which I need to take it out first. So this is the blur stick itself. I really like the packaging of these. They seem really simple but really nice. Let's just read the claims about it. So this is 1 fluid ounce in here. I have a little packet that says what this product does. So it's supposed to prime the skin, obviously. It's oil-free, silicone-free formula. It's an oil-free, silicone-free formula. Creates a luminous matte finish. How is it luminous and matte? Guess we'll find out. It's a luminous matte finish on all skin tones for makeup that goes on smooth and stays. It's got a golden pearl infused formula, leaves skin glowing while blurring microspheres absorb oil and mattify. Blurs at pores. Blurring microsphere technology minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines for a flawless finish under foundation or on its own. So it says it's silicone-free, oil-free, gluten-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. I am dry, so I don't really need the oil absorbing like it talks about, but for oily skin that would probably be nice for you guys. But we'll see if it does anything on the opposite side because I'm dry, if it will make me drier, so we'll find out. So for the directions, it just says that you swipe it on your face to prime the skin. You can also use it for targeted application on T-zone to absorb oil, or swipe along cheekbones to use a subtle natural highlight. It says for dry skin, moisturize first, then swipe to prime skin. For oily skin, swipe all over the face and then blend. So I'm gonna take my makeup off, grab my moisturizer, and then we'll... Okay, so I went ahead and took my makeup off and I put some primer on. I put the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. So I did forget to mention, this does retail for $36. It is sold on Milk's website, and also it looks like Sephora, Urban Outfitter sells their makeup. It looks like about it. Like I said, it does retail for $36. It does not come out until the 23rd of January. So I should be uploading this. I think I'm gonna upload it on Saturday the 20th. So you should be able to get this in 3 days. So the 23rd of January is when you can order it. We're gonna go ahead and try this out. So it just literally says to wipe it on your face. Okay, so we're just gonna take the lid off, and it's super pretty. I'm gonna put it on my hand just so we can see. Okay, so I just put some on my hand, and then I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that, but in person, it's really pretty. It's like, it doesn't scream in your face blinding like with luminosity, but it definitely looks like that like glow from within. So let's just put this on our face. Ooh, on my skin tone you can really see the gold. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face, and then I'm gonna blend it out with my hands. It doesn't have like a strong smell. Oh my gosh, my hands. So I definitely think you don't have to push too hard, because I know some people were talking about with the matte one that because it's in a stick form, they felt like you had to push and it was tugging your skin too much. I really don't think you have to push too hard. Like just even getting it up here, I'm barely pushing and it's definitely getting the product on. So I don't think you really have to push much. I'm going to go ahead and apply some foundation on top so we can see how that looks, and then I will be right back. Okay, so now that my face is done, I actually really like this product. Once I found out that it was Luminous Matte, I didn't think I was really going to like it that much, only because I don't like matte things, just because I'm dry skinned, and so typically matte things on me look bad. But I did pair it with a luminizing foundation that I've been testing that I already know I like. I'm not going to say it because I haven't posted the video on the review yet, so I'm not going to tell you what kind it is, but it is a luminous foundation, and well, it's a satin foundation, not luminous. So I do think it looks really nice. It applied really nicely. Like I said, I didn't have to tug hard in order to get it on my face. It did feel pretty lightweight. It didn't feel like something was caking on my skin. The foundation I put on top applied really nice. So did all the other products, applied nicely on top of the primer. I would say I understand the luminous matte part of it now. So it is like a glow from within kind of look, but it still looks matte. It still sounds really weird to say, but overall I do think this is a really good product. Yeah, that's all I can really say. So that's all I have for this video, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.